Okay, this is from a video from my book, Prevent and Reverse Parkinson's Disease and Chronic Fatigue Syndrome. I'm talking about Parkinson's disease. The lecture's over at VegSource. I'm just going to have the link in the description below so you can click on it and go to the lecture over at VegSource. What I did was I took the chapter on Parkinson's disease, but there was a whole bunch of other stuff in the book that's related to it, so I did it in two parts. First part is basically what kills brain cells. You have to know what causes brain cells to die so that you can avoid those things. And then I explain how it all connects into Parkinson's disease. A lot of useful tidbits there, like if you're going to the grocery store and it's next to dry cleaners, don't go to that grocery store. Find a new grocery store. If you're going to buy an apartment building and it's above a dry cleaners, then don't move to that apartment building. I explain all this stuff, and there's a whole bunch of little pitfalls. Like leaky gut ends up making you stupid because it causes brain inflammation and leads to loss of brain cells. Okay, well anyways, I have the link in the description below. I do think this is also a very good lecture. It's really good. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it helpful.